Brave. A man will come and take you away. I cannot go with you. This is how it has to be. This man is different. He will protect you. Please don't judge him for what he might do. I'm sorry. Maybe someday you will understand.
This is Benjamin Travis. The money has been wired to your account. Welcome to Chicago. I appreciate you taking this assignment, 47. It is never easy targeting our own, but Diana Burnwood's treason must be dealt with. I would send in one of the teams, but this is a job for a scalpel, not a hammer.
Reasons are irrelevant.
Exactly. Good luck, 47.
Sir. Yeah, it's an ice cream truck. Yeah, I know. I'll get rid of him. Hey, get out of here. We don't want anything.
What about your partner?
What partner?
During this assignment, key game elements will be highlighted. First of all, try to kill with discretion and try to remain undetected. Let's look at the interface. In the lower left corner, the blue bar indicates your health. Next to it is the radar. Use it to keep track of enemies, objectives, and exit points. In the lower right corner, you can see what weapon you have selected and if it's hidden. Next to the weapon, the yellow bar indicates how much instinct you have available. If it is depleted, you cannot rely on instinct abilities. Approach the cover in front of you.
This is 4. We need to set up security at the... No.
To get the full benefit of this introduction, try to remain unseen and kill with discretion. The body is now hidden. The container has room for one more body and still has room for you to hide. When you aim for the head, then increase your precision by steadying your aim. Clean kill. Remember to hide the body. Bodies left in plain sight will alert your enemies. Holster your weapon.
I know it's the client's call, but that doesn't mean I have to like it. Calling in personnel from local outfits will barely have time to do proper background checks. I tell you.
Use your fiber wire to silently eliminate the guard up ahead. Clean kill. Notice the fiber wire allows you to drag your target immediately. Clean kill. Remember to hide the body. Bodies left in plain sight will alert your enemies. You have activated a checkpoint. If you die or if you choose to restart, Agent 47's training and supreme senses allow him to keenly perceive his surroundings.
Oh, and act natural, okay? I'm not supposed to know about the head stuff.
Distraction, steady aim, or fiber wire. The choice is yours. Wait and listen to the people around you. They may give vital information or simply let you know when the coast is clear.
Please. My wife's the state champion in gossip. It's only a matter of time. Not that I don't appreciate your concern. Mark my words, kid. You should get out of soldiering.
Use instinct or consult the radar to locate the exit.
This travel agency only has 2 destinations. Death and depression.
Hey. Command, I think I heard something. Stand by.
Use instinct to anticipate enemy movement.
Looks like the chef's cooking up a storm.
The guard is headed for the railing and will not reach you. Edged and piercing weapons can be used for deadly throws as well as distractions.
The service is good.
Focus on a target. Now throw. Now throw. Clean kill. You can dump the body over the railing. The greenhouse up ahead will require a disguise to infiltrate unnoticed. Look for a disguise. You are disguised as a gardener. In this disguise, you are allowed to be in the greenhouse area. Trick the gardener. The guards up ahead will not be suspicious, but you should keep a lookout for other gardeners.
As far as I know, the girl hasn't left the house since we got here. No school, no friends coming over. They died.
Sorry, pal, new rules. This area is off limits unless you're security or guests of Miss Burnwood. What? Information board? Just following orders, pal. I suggest you do the same. Use a flower bed or something. Perfect. Just perfect. I'm gonna kill these maintenance clowns.
Nah,
The guards have been dealt with. Doing so, you regain some instinct.
Come on, let's check out the boats.
The guards are preoccupied. You can kill them or sneak past. The choice is yours.
I'd settle happily for a roof over my head, you know? I've been sleeping on couches since Angie kicked me out.
False in the skies! Don't get caught!
You were disguised as a guard. In this disguise, you are allowed to be in all outside locations. Be mindful that other guards see through your disguise if you come too close, so keep a safe distance.
I'm through the compound. Accessing mansion and approaching target.
Good. Infiltrate the mansion and terminate Diana Burnwood. And Victoria, bring her in, unharmed. She is very dear to me.
What?
And the agency.
You're kidding. Wait, are you sure? It's not prostate cancer. I could kiss you. I mean...
You are now inside the mansion. Your current disguise will be suspicious to the mansion guards. Either find a new disguise or try to remain undetected. The Mansion Guard disguise gives you full access to the mansion interior. Be mindful that other Mansion Guards see through your disguise if you come too close, so keep a safe distance. Throughout the game, you will find evidence. Removing the evidence will award you rating points and instinct. Beyond this door, the rating system will be turned on. It will monitor your playstyle and reward your progress. You can see it in the top left corner. As always, how you handle your assignment is entirely up to you. Good luck.
Sounds like a team briefing in the living room.
Better haul ass. The head hates having to repeat himself.
Use instinct to locate objects of interest. You are now engaged in close combat. Finish your... All witnesses have been dealt with. No one is aware of your identity, and no one is suspicious of your disguise.
Will remain so for the time being. For those of you who do not know the drill. 6-hour shift cycle. I repeat, not.
The body is now hidden. The container has room for one more body, and still has room for you to hide.
Subsequent blacklisting. Rest assured, if you fail in your duties, you will never work in this business. Hey! Who opened those blinds? We're sitting ducks in here!
So you were on close protection duty yesterday, right? Did you talk to the girl?
Barely. She's polite, but kind of introverted. Just sits there, staring into space.
She must have some kind of baggage.
Subdue or kill. The choice is yours. Either way, he won't be waking up anytime soon. The container is now full. There is no more room for additional bodies or for you to hide. If your score is high enough, you will unlock an assassin technique. Open the notebook to see your next unlock.
Closing in on target.
Well done, 47. Now remember, Diana brought this on herself. She betrayed us, the agency, the code, everything we stand for. She is too dangerous to be left alive. Think about that when you pull the trigger. Forty-seven? Report, 47.
I should kill you. Why did you do this?
47! Damn it, what's wrong with this thing?
We all have our limits. Even you, 47. We used to have honor.
Diana,
No. I had to take her away from the doctors. I knew you would understand.
Fuck. Something's not right.
You still have a chance.
In my robe. A letter. Now go. Take the girl and run. Before Travis finds out. Please, do not let her turn it to you. Promise me.
I promise.
Running is noisy and makes it easier for your enemies to spot you. Agent 47 can deal with enemies swiftly and with great precision. Note that while you are focusing on your targets, you expend instinct rapidly. Turn the camera to focus on your enemy, then lock the shot. Fatal damage. Focus on the next enemy. All enemies are down.
You know who I am.
I know. She's dead, isn't she?
Come on, stay close to me.
Where are we going?
Get in. It's done.
Excellent work, 47. Bring the girl to the extraction point.
What are you doing?
Why did the agency want you?
I don't know, I guess I might have...
Diana did this for you. Why?
Please, she was my only friend. She took me away from the doctors.
Tell me about the doctors.
It's really blurry. Like, really bad dream. Why?
We need to go.
Sir, there's nobody here. I think the asset's gone AWOL.
God damn it! I was afraid it couldn't do it.